Earlier this hour, Jeff Donnelly rang the opening bell to celebrate DiamondRock Hospitality's 20th listing anniversary on the NYSE. Jeff Donnelly joins me here at the desk. Congratulations, Jeff.
Thank you very much.
Great to have you here. Such a milestone. Tell us, what's it feel like? 20th anniversary here at the NYSE.
It's terrific. I mean, DiamondRock came public 20 years ago. There's been a lot of great leaders that have come through our doors, so I'm very happy to be here today ringing the bell on behalf of the company.
So you're celebrating how far you've come, but as you think about what's ahead, as you look forward, tell us, what are some of your biggest goals for the rest of 2025?
Our goals are really kind of keep driving our earnings forward. As the case for most public companies. It's a good year. We're continuing to see really positive trends in our business in this year as well as looking out to next year. So.
When you think about the portfolios of hotels and resorts that you have, I was taking a look at the list. I've been to a few of the properties. I know that you've grown through acquisition. Are you planning to add to that portfolio?
We would like to continue to grow and do so profitably, and there will be opportunities for us to prune properties too, where we think we might have maximized value, but that is our intent, is to be growing this year and next year, again, as I mentioned, to continue to drive earnings. So it's an important part of what we do as a REIT.
And just if people aren't familiar with DiamondRock Hospitality, just give us a kind of a brief overview of what it is that you do.
Yeah, so we own 36 properties, about 10,000 rooms. We're unique in that we're probably the largest owner of destination resorts in the United States, typically located in really unique locations that bring a lot of folks to them, like in Sedona, Arizona, Lake Tahoe, Sausalito. So it's really kind of what I would say distinguishes us from our peers in the market.
Yes, and in terms of, so you actually own the properties, you don't necessarily operate these properties.
Correct.
But I'm assuming you get some intel on how the consumer is holding up. What are you hearing?
I would say right now this year we're actually seeing great trends out of business travelers, and corporate business has continued to be very, very strong this year. I think it's been surpassing our expectations. The leisure customer's a little softer this year. I think some of that's because of the decline in international inbound tourism, but I think the outlook for 2026 continues to look very encouraging. So.
And why does it look encouraging?
We have bookings that we can see farther out on the books for our hotels that right now I think are up in the low double digits. And I'd like to believe that some of the concerns around international visitation in the U.S. will begin to dissipate as we move through the year. So.
And based on the list of properties in your portfolio, it seems like you cater to the higher end consumer. Correct. With your proproperties. So a little bit different in terms of headwinds as some of those who might be more budget oriented.
Correct. That is true.
So that is a tailwind for you, would you say?
It is a tailwind, I think. I think that is a segment of the economy that's been holding up a little bit better.
All right. Yep. Any final thoughts as you kind of wrap up this milestone? The market is underway. You kicked off the trading day for June. Yes. Final thoughts?
No final thoughts other than I would say keep traveling, get on the road. We'd like to see people out there.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Jeff Donnelly, thank you so much, and congratulations again. That's Jeff Donnelly, DiamondRock Hospitality's CEO.